Army base arriving in Serengeti National Park, Tanzania.
Hi, Superpets! Sorry for getting in your way. Welcome to Tanzania. I'm Manula, and this is my dad.
We're tourists here in the park, and we've just stopped for a rest.
Would you like to play ball with us? Whoa! Oh no!
Huh? An ostrich's nest.
Oh no! The mom thinks my ball is one of her eggs. How will I ever get it back?
Superwings?
Hi, Sky. Is that a call coming in from the Superpets?
It sure is, Jet. They're calling us from Serengeti National Park in Tanzania.
Hi, Superwings. I'm Manula. I was playing with the Superpets and my ball accidentally rolled into an ostrich's nest. Can you bring me a long butterfly net so I can get it out?
You bet. Any order, any size, we'll fly it to you through the skies.
Thanks. See you soon.
Tanzania is home to the Serengeti National Park, one of the largest nature preserves in Africa. Many species of animals live there, like ostriches, the biggest bird on the planet. They can't fly, but they can run as fast as a car. Storm, prepare the package.
Okay. Powering up package printer.
One long butterfly net coming up.
Package done.
Loading up. It's time to meet a brand new Superwing who will be going with you on your mission. Get ready to meet someone who's happy to fly into any adventure. Superwing Ellie. Take your position, Jet.
It's fly time. Let's take off for Tanzania.
Nice big birdie. Whoa! I hope Jet gets here soon. If the ostrich steps on my ball, it'll pop.
Package delivery.
Oh, right! Here comes my order.
I'm Jet. On time, every time.
I'm Ellie. Adventure's my game. I'm that kind of plane.
Welcome to Tanzania. This is my dad.
Hi, everyone. Here's your package, Manula.
This net will be perfect for getting my ball out of the nest. I needed a long one because the ostrich is kubwa.
That means huge in Swahili, the language we speak.
Now to get my ball back. Huh. Whoa! It's not working. I can't get the net past the huge ostrich. She's too kubwa.
Don't worry, Manula. She won't be kubwa for long. I've got just the thing in my sweet stuff suitcase. Nope, not this. Nuh-uh. Aha! Here it is. My super special switcheroo smartphone. Ta-da!
Wow. Got it. Yes.
Don't worry, Mom Ostrich. I'll return you to your normal size. Hey! Oh no!
Now she is really kubwa.
She still thinks your ball is one of her eggs. Oh no, my smartphone!
Whoa!
Manula, run!
We have to move faster. It's time to shine. Superwings and Superpet combine.
We need a break from this beat.
Look ahead. Let's hide there.
Phew.
Huh?
Let's get out of here.
Huh?
The mommy ostrich's head is stuck.
Time to gear up.
You got it. Rock climbing gear.
Power glove deploy.
Rock wrangling action.
Giant lasso action!
Huh? Grandpa Grand Albert?
Hello, Ellie and Jet. Oh, didn't want to miss my granddaughter's first mission.
Oh no! Runaway rock! The ostrich nest is in danger! Jet speed!
time to return the ostrich to its original size. Let's see here. Found it! My telephoto transformer camera. Hey, ostrich, look here!
It's easy to see that you're Grand Albert's granddaughter, Ellie.
I guess I'm a chip off the old engine block.
Well, it looks like our work here is done.
Safe travels!
Superwings and Superpet, we deliver! Here, subscribe to our channel.